Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the shadow text effect on CapCut PC. So select your background, select any background that you want. I'm just going to choose this one. Actually, I want to choose this one, it's fine. You don't need to choose the same as me. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word shadow. And I'm also going to select the font for it. Right click. Oh, actually copy and paste it first. Select the black color, right click, create compound clip. Rotate it 2 times and reflect it once. So select the mirror button. Then you're going to turn off uniform scale and you're going to adjust the height to make it like condensed like this. So the shadow looks like this. And just adjust it to your text kind of. Go to blend mode and then select the overlay button and adjust it. You can also like make it like super condensed like this or like really long as well. You can make it like that. It's totally up to you though. I wish there was like a way to just like adjust the width like of like these 2 sides and not the whole thing. That would be great. But yeah, that is it. This is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!